Welcome everyone to this packet tracer. Use ping and tracer route to test network connectivity. In this side we have addressing table and objectives. Part 1 test and restore IPv4 connectivity. Part 2 test and restore IPv6 connectivity. Scenario: there are connectivity issues in this activity. In addition to gathering and documenting information about the network, you will locate the problems and implement a acceptable solution to restore connectivity. Note: the user exit password is this, and the privileged exit password is this. Instruction Part 1 Test and restore IPv4 connectivity. Step 1 Use ipconfig and ping to verify connectivity. Click PC1 and open command prompt. Okay, open PC1 command prompt and enter the command ipconfig/all. Okay, complete the addressing table with IPv4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Okay, click PC3 and open the command prompt. Enter the same command, collect the IP version for information, complete the addressing table. Use the ping command to test connectivity between PC1 and PC3, the ping show file. Okay, and PC3 here. The same command ipconfig/all. Okay, and enter a ping from PC1 to PC3 with IPv4 address. In this case, 10, 10, 1, 18. Okay, destination host unreachable. Packet lost for 100% lost. Okay. Step 2 Locate the source of connectivity failure. From PC1, enter the necessary command to trace the route to PC3. What is the last successful IPv4 address that was reached? The trace will eventually end after 30 attempts. Enter Ctrl+C to stop trace before 30 attempts. From PC3, enter the necessary command to trace the route to PC1. Okay, the same, but with the command tracert. And in this case, the command tracert to the address of PC1, in this case is 110, 10, 198, 1.98. Sorry, my bad. Tracert. Okay, and the next step. Okay, here, click router 1, press enter and log into the router. Enter the show IP interface brief command to list the interfaces and their status. There are two IP version 4 addresses on the router. One should have been recorded in step 2A. Okay, open router 1, enter in user mode with the password, and enter in exec mode with this command enabled and enter the password. Enter the command show IP interface brief. Okay. There are two IP versions for addresses on the router. One should have been reordered in step 2A. Okay. Enter Control C and enter Control C. Close PC3 and okay. Well, this is the address. In this step 2A 10.10.1.97 and here's okay. So what is the other? The other is this. Okay, enter the show IP route command to list the network to which the router is connected. Note that there are two networks connected to the serial 001 interface. Okay, show IP route. Okay, with the first command we can see for interfaces G00, G01, serial 000, and serial 001. And with the command show IP route, we can see this content. Okay, only the IP route. Okay, this command say to list the network to switch the router is connect. Note that there are two networks connected to the serial 001. Okay, this is what are they? Okay, this is the local address and this is the config address. This is the address associated with the router and this is the address associated with the port or is attached physical. Okay, repeat step 2E throw 2G from here to here and record your answers. Click R2 presenter and log into the router. Okay, it's the same process. Enter with the password and enter the same command. Run more tests if it helps visualize the problem. Simulation mode is available. Okay, we can see the interface G00, G01, serial 000, and serial 001. Step 3 propose a solution to solve the problem. Compare your answer in step 2 to the documentation you have available for the network. What is the error? What solution would you propose to correct the problem? Implement the plan. Implement the solution you propose in step 3b. And step 5, verify that connectivity is restored. From PC1, test connectivity to PC3. From PC3, test connectivity to PC1. Is the problem resolved? Okay. We can check the IP addressing table with every device. So close this and open this. So with the first command show IP interface brief, we can see all the interfaces. In this case, G00, okay, don't have address. G01 have this address, is up, and protocol is up. And the interface serial 001 here, this is the IP address. The IPv4 version 4 address only. Okay, so go to check the next router is the same with the command show IP interface brief. Check with the table for the interface serial 000 here. Uh, okay, and for okay in the port or in the interface serial 000 is a bad direction, but in the interface 01 serial 01 is correct the address. I need to change the address. In this case, I enter in configure terminal mode and enter in interface, in this case S000 in this form, and assign the IP address correct with the common IP address, in this case 10.1.5 with the subnet mask in the table. Okay, and exit, and repeat the command show IP interface brief. Okay, okay, is good the IP address. So go to check with router 3, enter with the password, enter with the command enable, and enter the password. Enter the command show IP. What is the command? I don't remember well. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Show IP interface brief. Okay. We can see the interface G00 is here. Okay, G01. Okay. G in the interface S001. S001. Okay. Okay, I try again the tracert command between PC1 and PC3. Okay, and here again. Okay, the command tracer is complete. Only I need to check with the ping command. So, okay, okay, again and again. Okay, I have connectivity between PC1 and PC3 in both directions. So I don't have packet loss, and the solution is only check the IP addressing table and check with every interface of the router. So this is my explication or my explanation over how I solve this problem. Next with the next item, step 6 documentation, document the solution. Part 2 test and resolve IP version 6 connectivity. Okay, step 1 use IP version 6 config and pick to verify connectivity. Click PC2 and open the command prompt. Okay, I close PC1 and PC3 and open PC2 command prompt and enter the command IP version 6 config slash all and complete the addressing table with IP version 6 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Click PC4 and open the command prompt and enter the same command. Okay, and test connectivity between PC2 and PC4. The ping should fail. Okay, I try with IP version 6 address here, copy and enter the command, paste. And the same for this, copy and enter the command and paste. Enter and enter. Okay, I don't have connectivity between these two PCs. So, step 2, locate the source of connectivity failure. From PC2, enter the necessary command to trace the route to PC4. What is the last successful IP version 6 address that was reached? Okay, okay. I don't have connectivity between PC2 and PC4 in this direction. So I enter the next command, tracert, and the same for PC4. Okay, Control C to stop, and the same Control C for stop. And go to check with the addressing table. The last hop is in this device with this address. Okay, here. This is the last address. So go to check the next step. Okay. Okay, click router 3, press enter and log into the router. Enter the show IP version 6 interface brief. Okay, it's the same. Show IP version 6 interface brief. Command to list the interface and their status. There are two IP version 6 addresses on the router. One should match the gateway address recorded in step 1D. Okay, in step 1D is here. Okay, with PC1. Sorry, with PC2. There are two IP version 6 addresses on the router. One should match the gateway address reordered in step 1D. Okay, yes, it's in PC4. So default gateway is this. Okay, so is there a discrepancy? Yes. Run more tests if it helps visualize the problem. Simulation mode is available. Propose a solution to solve the problem. Compare your answer in step 2. The documentation you have available for the network. What is the error? What solution would you propose to correct the problem? Implement the plan. Implement the solution for proposed in step 3b. Verify that connectivity is restored. From PC2, test connectivity to PC4. From PC4, test connectivity to PC2. Is the problem solved? Document the solution. Okay, I think is about write the default gateway in the PC4. Okay, PC4 and router 3. So IP configuration, static, IP version 6, and I need to change the default gateway in this mode. I close this and open command prompt and I try again the command tracer between PC2 and PC4. Complete tracer, tracer complete, and from PC2 to PC4, tracer complete. Okay, I have connectivity between PC2 and PC4. I only go to put the command ping for finish this packet tracer activity. Okay, I have connectivity between these two devices, so only I need to write my documentation solution for this is for the next. Thank you for watching and I hope it's useful for you. Bye.